When you're born in the field, you expect a little more. You expect a better fit, a better function. You expect something to work in whatever conditions the job throws at you. You expect your gear to perform in the real world, designed by people who know what work is. At Malta Dynamics, we're born in the field. Our roots are laying block, pouring concrete, building America's structures and infrastructure. We make safety products with the highest level of precision, practicality, and performance. Then we send them out to people like you, and we make sure they work the way you need them to, day in, day out, every time. We're Malta Dynamics. Field tested, field approved safety gear.